Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your data and isolating causes. Back up important files, then boot the phone in safe mode to disable third-party apps. This quickly tells you if an app triggers Flickr. While in safe mode, observe brightness and motion. If Flickr stops, you know software is the culprit. If it continues, make sure to inspect for obvious physical damage or moisture and prepare to move into system-level fixes. Once done with initial checks, update the operating system and every app. Many Flickr bugs are fixed by updates. Make sure to toggle off adaptive brightness and set a stable refresh rate, since inconsistent rates can cause visible flicker. If the problem remains, uninstall recent or suspicious apps one at a time and reset display settings to default so corrupted settings aren't causing the issue. Restart after each change to confirm whether the flicker stops. Finally, isolate hardware faults. Connect the phone to an external display or use an adapter. If the external image is stable, the internal screen or connector is at fault. If software attempts failed, perform a factory reset after a full backup to eliminate deep software corruption. If flicker persists, visit a repair shop to check ribbon cables and the display assembly. And as a troubleshooting tip, if repair shops report intermittent faults, insist on a diagnostic test under different temperatures and brightness levels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.